Good evening everyone, I am Aditya Singh. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about quadratic equation part 2. So our next topic is factorization. फैक्टराइजेशन एक क्वाड्रेटिक जो फैक्टराइज करके इक्वेट कर दिया जाए तो वो भी आइडेंटिटी बन जाती है ax² + bx + c = a under bracket x minus alpha x minus beta alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation. Question: if alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of quadratic equation, x³ + 3x - 1 = 0, then find the value of x. First question: 2 minus alpha, 2 minus beta, 2 minus gamma. Second question: 3 plus alpha, 3 plus beta, 3 plus gamma. x³ + 3x - 1 roots are alpha, beta and gamma. We can write this x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma as identity because alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of quadratic equation. If we put x बराबर 2, then 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 1, 2 minus alpha, 2 minus beta, 2 minus gamma, 8, 3, answer sum 13, 2 minus alpha, 2 minus beta, 2 minus gamma, answer is 13. Next 3 plus alpha, 3 plus gamma, 3 plus beta. We put x बराबर -3, then we get this equation and answer is 37. Next, forming quadratic equation if roots are given. Quadratic whose roots are alpha and beta. K under bracket x² minus sum of alpha x plus product of beta product of roots is equal to 0. Here k is not equal to 0. Example: for form a quadratic equation whose roots are 5 plus under root 2, 5 minus under root 2, and product of roots 23, sum of roots 2. Then our equation look like this: x² minus 2x minus 48. Next, if alpha and beta are the roots of any quadratic, then they will satisfy quadratic. Example: x alpha cube minus 13 बराबर 5 alpha, beta square minus 13 बराबर 5 beta. Then find alpha and beta. X solution: x² minus 5x minus 13 is equal to 0, beta square minus 5 beta minus 13 is equal to 0. Both are same equation, and alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation. Because of this statement, x² minus 5x minus 13 is equal to 0. Alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation. Sum of roots 5, product of roots minus 13. Then solve it and we get -50 answer. Next, any higher degree polynomial expression in alpha and beta can be reduced to linear constant. Example: x² minus 2x plus 5, sum of alpha 2, product of alpha 5, then alpha square plus 5 and beta square plus 5 निकालना. Then put alpha square minus 2 alpha plus 5 is equal to 0. Alpha square value 2 alpha minus 5. Similarly, beta square बराबर 2 beta minus 5. Alpha square plus 5 is equal to 2 alpha. Beta square plus 5 is equal to 2 beta. X square minus 2 alpha plus 2 beta. X minus 4 alpha and beta. Next, alpha square बराबर 2 alpha minus 5. If we find alpha value, then take another side 2 alpha square and 5 to another side 5. Then 5 is equal to 2 alpha minus alpha square. Take alpha LCM common and 2 minus alpha साइड लेकर आना तो अल्फा का वैल्यू निकल जाएगा एंड सिमिलरली बीटा का वैल्यू निकालना. देन सम ऑफ रूट्स एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट्स. देन वी गेट this equation. Next, nature of roots. If t is greater than or equal to 0, greater than 0, then roots are real and extinct. If t is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Quadratic is a perfect square. If t is less than 0, roots are imaginary. Next, रूट्स कैसे कैसे होते हैं. अल्फा ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी. रैशनल रूट्स, ऑल कोफिशिएंट्स आर रैशनल. डी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, जैसे कि 1, 4, 9, 16 एंड 49 and etc. Irrational roots, all coefficients are rational. D is not a perfect square. Irrational roots exist in conjugate pair, just like this: 5 plus 2 alpha and 5 minus 2 alpha. P plus Q, P plus under root Q, P minus under root Q. Case 2, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Imaginary roots a b c are from real number and d is less than 0. Imaginary roots exist in conjugate pairs, just like this. X square. Next case 3 x square plus bx plus c. Integral roots. A is equal to 1, b a का वैल्यू 1 होना चाहिए एंड b c belongs to integers and d is a perfect square. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. If b is even, there are two cases: b is even or odd. If b is even, then total value even by 2 integer. If b is odd, then again odd plus minus odd even by 2 again integer. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and share.